lecture is entitled Sex and the Law by Dr. Bev Knox. Sex and the law refers to the legal regulations governing sexual behavior, including issues such as consent, sexual assault, digital sex crimes, age of consent, and more. It also includes the legal rights of individuals in sexual relationships, reproductive autonomy, and the legal status of sex work. These are critical and sensitive issues that law enforcement and other criminal justice professionals need to understand. According to Dr. Jhon, the adage "sex sells" is not lost on policymakers, lobbyists, power moguls, and anyone intent on using the politics of sex to influence people and decision-making. Human curiosity, fascination, guilt, masochistic or sadistic tendencies, competitiveness, fear, power dialectics, and control provide a perfect platform for exploitation by those who see opportunities in sex-related social issues. Dr. Jhon suggests that laws are created in response to sex, sexuality, and sexual behaviors. They are ripe for manipulating people, primarily when lawmakers aim to secure a vote. Sex is the perfect marketing strategy. In a world where sexual behavior intersects with cultural norms, human rights, and state control, sex and the law is more than just a legal topic. It is a deeply personal, societal, and ethical issue. From the age of consent to digital sex crimes, the law attempts to regulate intimate human behavior to prevent abuse, ensure consent, and protect the vulnerable. Please be advised, this is an educational, academically sound psychology course by Dr. Bev Knox for adult student learners. Lecture content include discussions and representations of human sexuality, theoretical perspectives on sexuality, sex research, sexual anatomy, sex hormones, sexual arousal, attraction and love theories, gender and sexuality, sexual orientation, variations in sexual behavior, sexual coercion, sex for sale, sexual disorders, and sex therapy, ethics and religion on sexuality, and sex laws. Before beginning the course, please be mindful of your capacity to witness and respond to videos, books, and images of this content material.